Xiaomi's latest smartwatch, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 10 Pro. I got my hands on it to show you what the latest Band 10 Pro looks like and what improvements it offers compared to its predecessor. Although the official release date expected it to be around the 20th of May, roughly the same time as the Xiaomi 17 Max, let's take a quick look at the unboxing. I feel the price is roughly the same as the previous generation Xiaomi Band 10 and Xiaomi Band 9 Pro. It comes in boxes, a watch band, and the main display screen. Overall, I think the build quality is quite strong. Compared to the previous generation, you can feel that the improvement in appearance isn't particularly significant, but the build quality is definitely improved. There's also a magnetic data cable, and that's about it. Then there's an instruction manual, and the main thing we'll look at is the overall functionality of the Xiaomi Band 10 Pro, right? Compared to the previous generation, what are the improvements, and are there any other aspects that make it worth buying? Okay, let's do a simple setup first, and after powering it on, I also took the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 Pro and compared it to the new generation 10 Pro. The most obvious difference is the size. There's been a slight change. The overall screen size of the 9 Pro is larger than that of the 10 Pro, and besides the improved overall build quality of the 10 Pro, another point is that it's become more refined. I don't know if it's just my personal opinion, but it definitely has become more refined. In terms of overall functionality, it's pretty much the same as the previous generation. The main additions are a blood sugar meter and some other features, but I feel these functions aren't particularly useful. However, I recommend that everyone apply a screen protector as soon as possible for a newly purchased watch like this because it's frequently worn on our wrist, and scratches or bumps are quite bothersome. So besides this unboxing, I also immediately bought a ceramic screen protector for the Xiaomi Band 10 Pro. This ceramic screen protector is similar to a soft screen protector, but its protection is better. The overall feel of a ceramic screen protector is significantly improved compared to tempered glass or even plastic screen protectors. It also comes with a tracker, which makes applying screen protectors easier for beginners like me. So let me just do a simple test. If you don't like it, then avoid it. If you do like it, feel free to share. Let's simply apply it and see the overall effect. Applying it is quite simple. Just put the watch in and it comes with a cleaning kit to clean the watch screen surface. Okay, after the simple cleaning, we need to fix it in place using the holes. Okay, after fixing it, take out the dust removal strip and use the roller to roll it back and forth. Okay, after applying it, you can see that the overall coverage area is relatively large, basically achieving full screen coverage. And when you touch the edges, there's no rough feeling. The overall edge transition is smooth. I think for the slightly curved screen of this watch, this ceramic film can adhere better. Tempered glass screen protectors might be more difficult because they are curved, right? Then, the display effect, including the overall touch control, is much smoother than before without a screen protector. There's no longer that problem of your hand being unable to swipe the screen. Besides the improved feel, I think the most important aspect is the protection it provides for the watch screen, which is absolutely crucial. Of course, I recommend that if you're planning to buy the Xiaomi 10 Pro at launch, you should purchase a protective accessory beforehand. Otherwise, it would be quite distressing to have the watch scratched or bumped right after purchase. Xiaomi Band 10 Pro is as thin as 9.7 millimeters and weighs as little as 21.6 grams. It is made of aluminum alloy, a sleek aluminum alloy metal body, and a smooth micro-curved screen, balancing texture and feel. Xiaomi Band 10 Pro will also offer a white ceramic version. Compared to the metal version, the ceramic version has a more warm and smooth texture that feels against the skin. Paired with a floral elastomer strap, it is soft, comfortable, and gentle on the skin. Users can also purchase the Milanese wristband separately to further enhance its fashion appeal. It supports professional sports health management and has a battery life of up to 21 days. The Xiaomi Band 10 Pro continues the design language of its predecessor with a body as thin as 9.7 millimeters, emphasizing all-day comfortable wear. The standard Smart Band 10 has the pill shape. The Pro model will sport a 1.74-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 480 by 400 pixels. This larger screen is housed in an aluminum casing, which looks more premium compared to other entry-level trackers. The band will be water resistant up to 50 meters. The band supports Bluetooth 5.4 and it offers heart rate tracking, various sports modes, and there will be a version with NFC and one without. Under the hood, the Band 10 Pro pitches a battery life of up to 21 days on a single charge. However, users should expect this to decrease to about 10 days if the always-on display is active. The total battery life will also vary depending on how you use the device. Then we put the ceramic version and the regular version side by side. In terms of overall appearance, there is practically no difference. The main difference lies in the side profile, specifically the bezel. This is one of the biggest differences. Also, as mentioned earlier, the ceramic version is significantly heavier than the regular version. Next, the clasp on the wristband is different. The regular version, like previous versions, simply opens the clasp, selects a suitable wrist size, inserts it, and puts it on. The ceramic version uses a traditional wristband, where you normally select a suitable size. The case itself shouldn't have any issues, as it has an electroplating layer. There are some slight differences between the two watch bands. The overall thickness isn't significantly different. The black case makes the white one appear slightly thicker, but in reality, the overall thickness of the black version isn't much different. So that concludes our unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 10 Pro.